Hey guys, Extra1 here, and this is episode number 2 of What's That App. Today, doing an app called Perfect Guns. Okay. Now first, there's 3 choices: pistol, rifle, and sniper gun. You press pistol, Colt 1911. Yeah, you just get to shoot it. This one was free. The AAA Gun Club, it was 99 cents, so you can tell that AAA Gun Club was better. Yeah. Glock 17. Yep. Let's go to rifle now. First is the AK-47. Just pull back the slide. Semi-automatic. And you click that. Okay, there we go. Come on. There we go. Now here's burst. Yep. And sometimes it never wants to click that. Here's full auto. Yep. M16. Semi-automatic. Burst. Trying to do this with one hand. Full auto. Then FN Scar. Then we'll go to burst. Then full auto. And I'm not sure if this is available for the iPod Touch, because I'm using the iPhone 3G. First, gotta pull that out of the way. Yeah, this one kind of sucks. This one's better. So you can shoot it a lot faster. A lot easier if you don't have. Let me set this down on the ground and see if I can get this. Okay. Now I got 2 hands. Oh, whoops. I accidentally exited the app. Loading, rifle, wait, nope. Back, sniper gun. Okay, this one. There we go. Okay. Pull back the bolt. Just like that. Yeah. I'll get this back up. Okay, back, and last one. This one. Come on. Yeah. So, that's it for this episode of What's That App. Stay tuned next time for the next app, which is Popcorn Maker. Yeah, that's what it's called. See ya.